Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So in case you're new here, my name is Jojo and it's so good to have you here. So in today's episode, I'll be showing you how to make these simple decorative orbs. So if you'd like to see how I did these orbs, keep on watching. So for this project, you'll need 2 embroidery hoops, and then optional items are your spray paints or your acrylic paints and your sponge if you're doing the paint option. So we'll start by loosening the hoops so that we get the inner and the outer part, and then we'll do the same. So we'll start by using the inner loops, and you're going to put one loop inside the other. So be very careful, these things are delicate and they can break. So we have the first set, and we're going to take the outer loop now. So you're going to take now your last hook, so for this you can choose to put it the same way or put it around all the hoops. So I'm going to put it outside, and then I'm going to tie it back. So at this point you can stain it, but I chose to spray paint. So I'll come back with the finished product. Thank you so much guys for watching today's episode. Let me know down in the comment section below which of the 2 colors you'd go for, and if you did like the video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and if you're new, subscribe below. So until next time, bye.